Today, this recipe what we have got is for the Monday for the Vrat days. So this is Sago Payasam with banana for the lunch. So I have soaked the sago for at least 8 hours of this measurement, and it has, after soaking, become so much. I've taken cashew nut and sultana or kismis, and we'll boil this milk. This is half-liter milk. When it starts boiling, we'll add the sago. You have to cook this sago till it turns translucent. Till that time, if you can see the sago whole and doesn't uh, it's opaque, then you have to understand you have to cook more. Always remember, the translucent sago is the right way of cooking. So always you have to do in the similar manner. And in place of sugar, we'll be adding jaggery, which is palm jaggery. This is the palm jaggery I had of the previous year. So this recipe is for exclusive palm jaggery for this sago payasam for the Monday Shiv Puja or Monday Vrat time. Make it and stir it till it dissolves. And when the milk starts boiling, you have to add the kismis and cashew nut. You can see how beautiful it is looking. I'll add the cardamom powder, and once done, we'll remove it. We'll do the presentation in this particular bowl and we'll remove it. Bye bye for now.